following is a presentation about Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology at the MidAmerica Industrial Park. If you are looking for a new career opportunity or desire to advance in your current job, Patrick Richards' story is really inspiring. A senior technician for the Grand River Dam Authority, he works here at this 1,010 megawatt coal-fired power plant.
Right here we have the throttle valve and governor valve control. This also controls the megawatts produced on the grid. And those watts go out to each home. The more load that is put on the generator, the more fuel is needed to produce steam pressure to keep the turbine rolling.
He didn't start at this level. In fact, his first job here may surprise you.
Patrick came to work for us about 10 years ago as a janitor. And when he came to work for us, he had a vision that he wanted to be more than that.
Taking the janitor's job was a smart thing to do to get my foot in at GRDA because it's so competitive. When the job opportunity came open, I moved in to the instrument shop as an apprentice and then worked my way up from there. And I wouldn't have been able to without the courses.
Patrick was the first graduate from OSUIT's campus here at the MidAmerica Industrial Park in Pryor, Oklahoma. Over 80 major industries operate within the park, making it one of the nation's leading centers for manufacturing, processing, and distribution.
Industries need a more highly educated workforce to take advantage of those types of technologies that have come about. There's a common thread that we know that runs through every industry here in the park, and those threads, specifically, there are at least two of them. One of them is production, and of course the other is maintenance. And we recognize that OSU was a leader in that specific field at its Okmulgee campus.
It's a partnership 12 years strong. In this prime location, current or future employees of area industries receive the specialized training necessary to get a job, be productive, and advance.
You can't have the same exact tag number here in your module level as you do down here at the device tag level.
Associate and applied science degrees are available in industrial maintenance, electrical and electronics technologies, and engineering and design drafting technologies. Certificate training is also available for those, and also for manufacturing technologies and effective management and leadership. Classes have low student-to-teacher ratios and schedules are geared toward working adults. Emphasis is placed on hands-on training with the same level of equipment used throughout the park.
Yellow is the positive, the red is the negative.
They offered a variety of classes from PLCs to electronics to digital. They offered everything I needed here at the Pryor campus. I was able to, right after work, come directly here to OSU and take 2 or 3 classes a semester and quickly get qualified to be an instrument tech and to get out of being a janitor.
Patrick Richards, of course, our first graduate, essentially quadrupled his salary since his days as a custodian at GRDA. And those examples we could talk about all day long. I've seen several individuals come through our school and get our degrees and our education and have made a significant impact in their lives.
Justin Walters is one of those examples. He's continuing his education here at OSUIT, learning all he can about industrial electrical systems.
The more you know about electrical and mechanical and machining, the better you are at your job completely. You've got to understand the way things are wired, the way things are programmed.
Knowledge that will enhance his job performance here at the Pryor Gatorade facility.
The Pryor Gatorade facility is the largest Gatorade facility in the world. It's 1.4 million square feet. We're also the world's largest LEED certified facility, and that's Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. Currently we have about 18 students that are enrolled in the curriculum with the Industrial Maintenance Training Program with OSU.
The process is completely automated. You put bottles on the line at one end, it goes down, it fills them, labels them, packages them, and then it puts them back on a pallet at the other end. Part of what my job is taking care of the programs that run the machines because it's all computer automated. There's mechanical, we have to do a lot of mechanical work here and there to make sure our field devices are working right. Without the training I have here, I probably wouldn't be able to very much at all there because I had no experience in like computer automation or PLC training. So without that, I wouldn't be able to diagnose hardly any of the problems we run into there.
Justin also takes advantage of OSUIT's online courses. The facility also offers career aptitude testing to get you started in a direction that's right for you. And college-level examination programs help streamline your courses to make the most out of your educational experience.
I can go anywhere now, like if I really wanted to. And I can move up in the company quite a bit. Like the places I've worked before are trying to get me back because they know I've been taking the classes, and it's huge for my advancement.
From a janitor's wage to where I'm at now is phenomenal. Getting a technical education has made a huge difference in my life from where I was to where I'm at now.
There are a lot of opportunities in this area due to the large number of manufacturers that we have, and all of them need a workforce, but most importantly, they need a skilled workforce. If you've got those types of skills, you know, you're going to be in high demand, and you're going to be going after those jobs with high wages.
The type of work that that's being done here now within the various industries, it's going to accelerate. It's going to be even greater. Somebody's going to have to take care of the machines. Somebody's going to have to be able to wire those machines, troubleshoot those machines, and we know that those machines are now very highly sophisticated, and we see nothing but a brighter future for the type of worker that's being trained here at OSU IT MidAmerica.
Take the first step on the path to a better life at OSUIT at the MidAmerica Industrial Park.